Building a Colony on Mars, a Vision for Humanity's Future. The allure of the red planet. Imagine standing on the crimson surface of Mars, its dusty red plains stretching endlessly before you. The distant peaks of Olympus Mons rise against a stark sky, while the two moons, Phobos and Deimos, drift silently above. This is not merely a dream. It is a possibility that beckons humanity. As we gaze into the cosmos, the question looms large. Can we build a colony on Mars? The scientific foundations. The idea of colonizing Mars is grounded in rigorous scientific research. Over decades, rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have extensively surveyed the Martian landscape, uncovering both its challenges and resources. The presence of ancient riverbeds suggests that liquid water once flowed on the surface, hinting at an environment that could potentially support life, both past and present. More than just dried rivers, recent exploration has identified ice deposits beneath the Martian surface. This frozen water could be a precious resource for future colonists. With advancements in technology, methods to extract and utilize this water for drinkable purposes and agricultural endeavors are becoming increasingly feasible. The technological leap. Before we can establish a sustainable colony, we must conquer the technological challenges that lie ahead. Space travel to Mars requires sophisticated spacecraft capable of making the months-long journey across the void. Companies like SpaceX are pioneering the development of reusable rockets, significantly reducing costs and increasing the feasibility of putting humans on Mars. Once there, colonists must contend with Mars's hostile environment. The thin atmosphere, made up mostly of carbon dioxide, cannot support human life. Innovations in habitat structures, such as inflatable habitats and underground dwellings, may provide safe refuge from radiation and extreme temperatures. But how do we sustain life in such an unforgiving landscape? Life support systems and sustainability. Creating a self-sustaining colony on Mars hinges on advanced life support systems. Scientists are exploring life cycle systems that recycle air, water, and waste, mimicking Earth's ecosystems. Hydroponics and aeroponics could revolutionize the way food is grown on Mars, allowing for efficient agricultural practices that minimize resource use. Yet, despite these advancements, there are emotional and psychological challenges that must be considered. Prolonged isolation and confinement could affect the mental health of astronauts. Establishing community spaces, cultural activities, and support systems will be vital to ensuring the emotional well-being of Martian colonists. The myth of instant success. Many believe that colonizing Mars is a straightforward process of simply landing and setting up a base. However, the reality is far more complex. Establishing a colony will take decades, if not longer. Initial missions will likely start with a limited number of astronauts conducting research, gradually building towards a larger presence. This slow, methodical approach contradicts the image of a rapid Martian settlement often portrayed in science fiction. This slow progression not only challenges our expectations, but also fundamentally reshapes our understanding of colonization. It reveals a deeper, often overlooked truth. Colonizing a new world is as much about adapting to its environment as it is about assembling technology. Collaboration and global efforts. Colonizing Mars necessitates international collaboration. The technology, funding, and expertise required stretch beyond any single nation. Global partnerships could pave the way for a new era of space exploration as nations unite for a common goal, making humanity a multi-planetary species. Organizations like the International Space Station have already set a precedent for this cooperative spirit. Building a community on Mars presents a unique opportunity for humanity to work together, transcending terrestrial boundaries. Ethical considerations. The prospect of a Martian colony also bumps into a realm of complex ethical questions. How do we ensure that we respect Mars's potential ecosystems? What responsibilities do we have to protect unknown life forms that may exist, however microscopic? As we prepare to step onto the Martian soil, we must also consider our role as stewards of another world. These ethical implications complicate our ambitions, but also enrich them. Understanding that our actions extend beyond mere exploration to encompass preservation will shape the future of our cosmic endeavors. A journey towards destiny. The journey to Mars is not just about technological achievement, it's about human destiny. Each step we take toward colonizing another planet reflects our unwavering desire to explore and innovate. The challenges are immense, but so are the possibilities. With vision, cooperation, and resilience, humanity can etch its name in the annals of the universe. So, what does the future hold? Will we witness the establishment of a thriving community on the red planet within our lifetime? The answers lie not just in the stars, but in our resolve to stride forward into the cosmic unknown. What do you think? What are your thoughts on the possibility of living on Mars? Would you want to be among the pioneers who take that bold step? Share your opinions and experiences.